Hi, and welcome to the video. We are discussing about the POC of the topic, Into the Shadows. Breaking into the anti-forensic puzzle by Group 1, this video is part of challenge by Indo-Dutch Cybersecurity School 2023. Let's go to know more about it. As per the objective of the topic, to identify and research different types of technologies and methods adversaries use to counter digital forensics, to clear tracks or maintain anonymity. These may include, but are not limited to, anti-forensic tools, encryption techniques, anonymization methods, and data obfuscation tactics. Then going on to the steps involved in topic, the first step is to knowing the anti-forensic techniques and their functionalities like data encryption, anti-forensic software, anti-rootkit and anti-malware tools, etc. Let us coming on to the one of the technique used. Data encryption, that is the most effective technique. Data encryption is a way of translating data from plaintext which is decrypted to ciphertext which is encrypted. Users can access encrypted data with an encryption key and decrypted data with a decryption key. Encryption uses cybersecurity to defend against brute force and cyber attacks, including malware and ransomware. Then going on to the second step is to select the case study that to research and analyze the encryption techniques or tools used in that. And the third step is the description of case study that identify and simulate common cyber attack scenarios like MPGOX Bitcoin exchange hack. Apple engineer incriminated ATS. Case study involves the 2016 battle between Apple and the Federal Bureau of Investigation. The FBI requested Apple's assistance in unlocking an iPhone belonging to one of the San Bernardino shooters. Apple refused, citing concerns over compromising user privacy and setting a dangerous precedent. The case sparked a global debate on encryption and government access to private data. This case study emphasizes the importance of strong encryption algorithms. It also highlights the ethical considerations involved in balancing privacy and security concerns. The fourth step is to analyze the cybercrime case that which predefined the attack scenarios that are used to solve the case study. And the fifth step is to collect the data as per the given criteria. The next step is to evaluate the data by the counter-forensic tools. Then documentation is the next step, which go through to the detailed reports, strengths, and areas for improve. Then the recommendation step is used to suggesting the most effective solution for the specific attack scenarios tested. The ninth step presentation that summarizes the research, key findings. At last, for the expected outcomes to be improved, the strengths, weakness of counter-forensic solution, and also the cybersecurity needs, and create an awareness about the potential vulnerability and attack vectors. Thank you one and all.